Hello, welcome to another Alesco tutorial. Today we are in the consumer database to talk about the one per, all per option. First, we must learn the difference between a household and an address. A household is determined by last name. For example, if you had Rita Smith, Mark Smith, and Bob Williams living together, that would be considered two households at one address, the Smith household and the Williams household. If you wanted each adult at the address to receive a mail piece, you would select all per household / address. If you only wanted one mail piece to go to the home, you would select one per address. This is the most used option and is also the default selection. In some campaigns, you may find that mailing each household within the address may be more effective, so you also have the ability to send multiple mail pieces based on the number of households or last names in the home. That concludes our tutorial on the one per, all per option on the consumer file. Thank you for watching.